Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is This Is the Day, and that's in the key of F on today. Guys, you know what? Beautiful, awesome song. We're going to get into it. And you know what? This song was requested by Lorraine Butler. Thank you so much, Lorraine, for this awesome request.
And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life.
All right, guys, we're in the key of F. Let's get it. That's F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. Let's run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, we're going to do like we always do. We're going to just wiggle our hands. We're going to stretch out our knuckles, crack them, and let's get ready to play This Is the Day.
Goes like this. This is the day. I will rejoice.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers.
Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with This is the day. This is the day that the Lord has made. That the Lord has made. Let me give you that. It's kind of jazzy, but let me give it to you. We're starting out on the 1. We're playing our C6 chord. We're going to our 3. We're playing this G added 2 chord. Going to our 6. We're playing our G flat augmented chord on the 6. Going to our 2, B flat major 7 chord. Going to the C dominant 7 right here on the 5. Guys, this is beautiful. Beautiful jazz chord here. All we're doing is we're playing this, it's like A flat dominant 7 in our right hand, but we're playing it on top of a 6. And then we're going right back to the 2. We're playing our B flat 7 chord. Going right back to our 5, C dominant 7 chord. Here's the transition. I will rejoice. I will rejoice and be glad in it. And be glad in it. All right, let me give you all of that. All we're playing is we're playing our 2. We're playing a G dominant 7 chord. Going to our 5, C dominant 7. Going to our 7, that's a G7 chord. Beautiful chord here, grab it. We're on our 3. Going to our 6, 2, 5, 5-1 progression. All gospel, guys. This is straight gospel. On the 6, we're playing an F major 7. Going to our G13 on the 2. Going to our 5, E flat 7. Going to our F13 chord on the 1. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let me give you that. We're on our 4. We're playing a B flat major chord. Going to our 5 flat, we're playing this F diminished 7 chord. Regular C major chord on the 5. Let's grab that. E dominant 7 on the 7. Going to our F dominant 7 on the 1. And we kind of repeat that. This is the day that the Lord has made. All right, so that's a change right there. So we're going to our B flat major chord. We're going to our 5 flat. That's the F diminished 7 chord. Going to our 5, F major chord. Here's the change right here. Going to our 3. And right there on the 3, we're playing this D flat diminished 7 chord. Going to our 6. Yeah, and we're playing this F major chord. They have this beautiful walk up there doing. All we're doing is we're going on the 3. We're playing an F major chord. Going to the 4, we're playing this G minor chord. You got to grab that very bright chord. That's an E major chord right there on the 5 flat. Going to our 5, F major chord. They do it again. All right, and then they're doing this nice walk down from the 1 to the 6. Let me give you that. So we're going F dominant 7 on the 1, E dominant 7 on the 7, E flat dominant 7 on the 7 flat, D dominant 7 on the 6. That the Lord has made. All right, let me give you that. So all we're doing is we're playing on the 2. We're playing our G dominant 7. Going to our 5. That's a C dominant 7 chord. Now they're doing this beautiful, beautiful transition. They're going. Let me give you all of that. Beautiful transition. We're going to our 4. We're playing this F6 chord. Going to our 6. We're playing this C major chord. Going to our 2. B flat 7 chord. Going to our 5. And we're playing this beautiful open D2 chord. D sus2 chord, I should say. And then we go back to the beginning. So if that's all I gave you, that's the whole song. But of course, I want to give you more. There's more that we can do with our bass, and I want to give it to you. So what we're doing is we're going, this is the day. This is the day. So all I'm doing is I'm walking my bass. In gospel, we have a lot of walks going on. So most time we're walking from the 5 to the 1, or maybe we're walking from the 1 to the 4. So the way we're doing it in this song is we're on our 1. This is the day. It sounds real jazzy, right? So all I'm doing on that very first one is we're going 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just walking the scale, really, right? Now on this next one, we're going, this is the day. All I did was walk from the 3 up to the 6. Right? Now watch this. That the Lord has made. Did you see what I did? I went from the 2 to the 5. We're going to our transition. That the Lord to the where? 5. Yeah. Here's our in-between chord, our bridge chord. I will rejoice. All right, let me give you that. So right there on the 5, we're just going 5, 7, 2, 3, 5. Now they'll go down. I will rejoice. So all I did was walk from the 7 to the 3. And be glad in it. See what I did? I just went from the 6 to where? The 2. And be glad in it. So right there we just went from the 5 and walked our way up to the where? The 1, exactly. We can keep on walking up. This is the day has made. And the rest is what I taught you earlier. I'll rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day. This is the day that the Lord has made. All right. So the next part is, I will enter his gates with thanksgiving in my heart. I will. Okay, let me stop right there and give it to you. We're on the 1, we're going to F major chord, going to our 3, F major chord, going to our 4, we're playing a B flat major chord, going to our, where? Yep, you got a 5 flat, and we're on our F diminished 7 chord. Going to our 5, that's an F major chord. Going to our 7, C dominant 7 chord. Going to our 1, F major chord. Right there on the 5, we're playing this beautiful E augmented chord. Next part. I will enter his courts with praise. Alright, let me give you that. We're on the 1, we're playing an F major chord. Going to our 3, F major chord. Chords. Going to our 2, that's a G dominant 7 chord. With, going to our 5 flat, same chord, praise. Going to our 5, that's a C major chord. Going right back to that 2, and we're playing our G dominant 7 chord. Going right back to the 5. I will say this is the day that the Lord has made. Let me give you that. I will say, right here on the 1, we're playing this beautiful chord. Grab it. Playing our F dominant 7 on the 3. Going to the 4, we're playing our B flat major chord. Walking on up, guys, we're going to the 5 flat F diminished 7 chord. Going to our 5, and we're playing this F major chord. Going to our 6 flat, we're playing this D flat diminished 7 chord. Then we're going to our D minor chord right here on the 6. I will rejoice, for he has made me glad. Let me give you that. So we're on our 2 flat, we're playing this C diminished 7 chord. And we're just going to walk our bass up from the 2 all the way up to the 5. So that chord on the 2 is we're playing this B flat 6 chord. Walk up 3, 4, 5 flat. Then we're just going right here, right back to the B flat 6 chord. It's just inverting from right there to right here. Then we're going right here to our C dominant 7 chord on the 5. And then we're ending on our 1. That's an F major chord. They have this beautiful turnaround. I know you've heard it before. Let me give it to you. That's 3, 4, 5 flat. Going to the 5. And then we're playing our beautiful chord here. That's an E augmented chord on the 5. Next part. He has made me glad. He has made me glad. Let's stop right there. Let me give it to you. We're going to our 1. We're playing an F major chord. Going to the 3, same F major chord. Going to our 4. As you see, we're playing recycled chords, guys. Exact same chords. That's a B flat major chord. Walking on up, we're going to our 5 flat. We're playing this F diminished 7 chord. We're going to our 5. We're playing an F major chord. Yep, you've seen that before. What is that? That's a D flat diminished 7 chord. And we're on our 6 flat. All right, here's the new chord. Right here on the 6, we're playing this G sus chord. And then we're playing our D dominant 7 on the 6. I will rejoice, for he has made me glad. All right, let me give you that. So what we're doing is we're on our 2, and we're playing this beautiful chord, B flat 6 chord, going up to the 5, and we're playing the same B flat 6 chord. And then we're playing our C dominant 7 on the 5. We're playing this beautiful turnaround. 3, 6, 2, 5. All right, let me give you that. So right there on the 3, we're playing this chord. It's really a G major chord, just adding that C. Going to our 6. This is really a G flat augmented chord. We're just adding this C right here. Going to our 2. That's a B flat 7 chord. Then we're going to our C7 chord, and that's on the 5. Next part. He has made me glad. He has made me glad. Let me give you that. So we're on our 1. Grab that chord. Going to the 3. F dominant 7 on the 3. Going to the B flat major chord on the 4. We're going 7, 3, 6. And all that is D major chord, really. Just adding that G right there on the 7. And then we're going A dominant 7 chord right there on the 3. And then we're going to our 6. That's an F6 chord. I will rejoice, for he has made me glad. All right, let me give you that. Same as before. We're going to our 2 flat. We're playing this C diminished 7. We're going to our 2, and we're playing this B flat 6 chord. Just walking our bass up. Going up to the 5. And right there on the 5, we're playing our B flat 6 chord. And on our C dominant 7 chord on the 5. And then we end on our 1, the F major chord. Guys, I hope this lesson was a blessing.
Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson.
Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the name that broke the shadow. I remember one night I was watching a healing service on my iPad. The preacher was praying for a woman whose mannerisms came across unusually seductive, and the whole moment just felt off. Eventually I drifted off to sleep with the video still in my mind. Somewhere between being asleep and awake, you know that strange in between place where your body is heavy but your mind is still alert. I suddenly became aware of something in the room. My eyes opened just enough to see a dark shadow figure standing over me. It looked like it wore a tall top hat and a long trench coat. The atmosphere felt thick with fear, like pure evil had stepped too close. I tried to move, nothing. Tried to speak, barely a whisper. With everything in me, I forced out one word: Jesus. It came out weak at first, so I said it again. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Each time I said his name, the heaviness lifted a little more, and just like that, the shadow vanished. I was fully awake, fully free, and fully reminded that there is power in the name of Jesus. Life lesson: in your darkest and most fearful moments, never underestimate the power of calling on Jesus. That's the one name that can break what fear tries to hold. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And Lorraine, thank you so much for that awesome request. Please request me. Guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million.
And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us.
We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell, because a video that is new, that's right, it's coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. You know what, guys? Let's cut to the chase. It takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. I believe you can hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam, you just hit it. Bam, you just hit that bell. Guys, you have just made my day. I appreciate you. And remember, you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK. We're signing off.